Good day. We are Group 9 from BSIS 4E, and today we are pleased to present our topic, Tracking Call Trends. In this presentation, we will cover three key points. One is call volume and peak hours. Two, call resolution and escalation trends. And three, customer interaction and satisfaction. Tracking call volume and identifying peak hours are essential for optimizing call center operations, ensuring a customer-friendly experience, and maintaining cost efficiency. Businesses that utilizes this data effectively can improve both service quality and operational performance. Let's start by defining call volume. Call volume refers to the total number of inbound calls received by a contact center during a specific time period, such as 15 minutes, hourly, or daily. This metric is crucial because it reflects the workload and directly influences staffing and scheduling decisions. Next, let's define peak hours. Peak hours indicate the busiest period in call center when there's a noticeable increase in incoming calls. These are vary depending on the company, industry, or customer base. Common peak time include early morning, 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., when customer support seeks before starting their day. Lunchtime, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Employees often reach out for quick issue resolution during break. End of day, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Customers tend to call for assistance before leaving the office. Let's discuss the other factors influencing call volumes. One, seasonal trends. Certain industries experiences call surges during holidays or promotional periods such as Christmas or payday taxes or sales. Product or service issues. Specific problems like software bugs can lead to sudden spike in customer inquiries, such as like issues with messenger to a tight glitch. 3. Customer behavior. Customer satisfaction, preferences, and engagement patterns play a critical role in call arrival rates. Happy customers are likely to call less, whereas dissatisfied customer may reach out more frequently.
Today, I will be discussing the call resolution and escalation trends. First, call resolution or FCR. Why is this important? This is important because when we resolve the call right away, it means the customer not to follow up, or it it lower cost for the company. So why does FCR matter so much? For fast solution, then if we get if we have fast solution, the customer will happy and not not to follow up the line. But sometimes calls still get escalated. Why? It is usually because agents inability to resolve the concern of the customer, or sometimes the agent have concern in their tools, or usually because don't have enough knowledge, or the company rules are too strict. And of course, if the customer feels like their concern isn't being resolved, they'll ask for a supervisor. Now, how we can reduce this escalation and improve FCR? We need to train the agent to fully equip, like coaching. In the call center, we have team leaders to uh, coach the agent, give agents solid training and access to updated input during calls, empower agents, allow agents to handle simple refunds or make small decisions, then have a clear escalation flow. I think use a simple flow chart so agents know when and who to escalate the customer to avoid repeat calls or to avoid follow-ups. And I think we need to build rapport to the customer, to gain trust in the customer, to avoid repeat calls and follow-ups. I think if we, I think if the customer is comfortable to the agent, it it can cooperate. Sometimes in troubleshooting, if the concern is regarding to troubleshooting, the customer will cooperate with you and avoid repeat calls. Then, if we have more resolved calls, and then no follow-ups, it minimize the two-day FCR or failed resolution. Think. And that's all. Thank you.
When we say customer interactions, it is when a businesses and the customer talk or interact with each other. So it is can be through chat, phone calls, messages, or having like face-to-face interactions and in chatbots. So these interaction moments, it is important because it's how the businesses and the customer connect. And it can happen whether in sales, marketing, or in customer service. While the customer satisfaction is how happy customers are. So it is not just about the product, but also how they feel when they need the help and how easy it is to get the support from the businesses. It is also a measure of how well the companies offering meets or exceed the customer's expectations. Why customer interactions are important. First is building trust and credibility. So trust is the fundamental to any successful business's relationship. So having a positive interactions can help to establish trust and credibility. So if the customers feels like that the business listen to them and cares to them, they are more likely to come back. Second is the customer or understanding the needs of customer. So by active listening and engaging with customers, businesses can gather feedbacks, identify challenges, and make informed decisions to improve their products or their services. Last is the resolving issues promptly. So if the issues are handled well, customers might end up liking the company even more. Here are three reasons why customer satisfactions are important. So first, if you satisfy your customer, they may use your business again. So satisfied customers are more likely to return and their loyalty can open can open opportunities for upselling or cross-selling. So this is also reduces the needs for extending marketing efforts to attract a new customers. If you satisfy your customer, they can recommend you to others. So happy customers are often eager to share a positive experience with others about your product or your services, so they can more so they can become a valuable advocates for your business and recommending your service or your business like to their families, friends, or even to their colleagues. Last is the customer satisfactions can motivate employees. So by understanding the customers' feedback, employees can reflect that on their performance. So they can work together to improve the customer experience and feel motivated to enhance the customer service standards both individually and as a team.